Today we're restocking all 4 vending machines. How much will it cost? Come on, let's go to BJ's and find out. So sometimes shopping is like playing Tetris. If I get the wrong snack or drink, the whole budget collapses. Okay, now we're gonna go to the snack section and take a look at those. Let's go. So each pack is around 42 cents. We sell each pack around $1.75. So we're making a profit of $1.30. Okay, we're getting some Doritos. This is a 50 bag box. It costs around $24 and we're selling it for $1.50. So we're making a profit of $1 on each pack. So we're going to take this and put it right here. Oh, Lay's. So the whole pack is like 50 bags. It goes for $24. We're selling it for $1. So same profit margin. So we're gonna stack these things like Tetris and see if it actually works. Does it work? Yeah, it does. So we're gonna get some candies. Here we have Mars, and that goes for $30. There is 30 of them in this box right here. That means that each costs $1. We sell each one for $1.50 and we make a profit margin of 50 cents. That's one. And then we also have Snickers. This is like $53. There's 53 of them, so each one may cost around $1 per unit. So we're selling these ones for $2, so making a profit of $1. So that's what we're doing. And then Hershey's, this one is for $31.49. There is 36, so this is under $1 and we sell them for $2. So that's what we're doing. Let's go check out the drinks. Here's a problem. My budget is $150. It seems like $150 is just going to cover the snacks. So let's go see if that $150 is enough to cover the drinks too. Let's go. So we're gonna start off with Coca-Cola Diet. It's a 35 pack. It sells for around $20. So we sell for $1.75. So we're gonna take this one. Mountain Dew. It's a 36 pack. 20 divided by 36. We sell this one for $1.75. So we're making a profit of around $1 on that per can. So that's good. See, I gotta stack these things like Tetris. I gotta stack it like Tetris. Okay, we'll just get this one. And I think that's it. So this is why we come to a wholesale store, because it's cheaper to buy here. Any money saved helps us get close to our goal of $20,000 a month in passive income. And finding the lowest price is like guessing the next piece in Tetris. Nobody ever gets it right. So look at how we stack all these things. If this was a Tetris game, we'll be out. Yeah, Dad. I love you too, Trey.
You're the best.
Thank you, sir. You're the best. Let's see how much this looks like. All right.
Jungle.
Yes.
We had 155. I just blew our budget out.
99.
Wow. $244. That's crazy. Now that we're done buying, we gotta go restock the machines really quickly and see how much money we can take out today. Okay, so we're here at our first location. We got the snacks, candy, and some drinks right here. We want you guys to have a good idea of what are things that you incur while running this business. So, all right, we'll check that out. Oh, and somebody said that I should get a cart that I can wheel. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. I'm reading those comments. All the comments I'm reading them. Okay, let's go. So we are at our first location and we're gonna check out the snack machine. We labeled the key thanks to my wife. What you guys wanna see first is how much money is in here. Oh, you wanna see? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, money bag right here. All right. The Doritos are gone, so those need to be restocked. The Suns, this one moved. These ones are still moving. This cookies moved. Okay, so that's good. My wife keeps telling me pocket things the right way, and I don't think I've been doing a good job at that. I have to make sure these things look up. There's Doritos. Gotta make sure they look good. See these Cheetos? Ever since we put them in, they haven't been gone. So nobody wants these things. Ooh, don't gain weight. You gain weight by just sitting down. So this is why it's important to know what your customers want, because you end up buying things that they don't want and ends up like this and becomes waste. In order to make money, know what your customers want. Also look at the dates. Make sure that the dates are right so that your products have a lifespan. So instead of having the Cheetos, you're gonna put in the spicy Doritos. Just shutting up this baby. Okay, let's first check out the money. Should be a better way. Oh, ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's $12. Money bag. Okay. That's the sound we want to hear. Okay, drinks. Looks like we can. Dr. Pepper's been moving. Sprite. Mountain Dew is on hold for now. So Sprite. Coke. Dr. Pepper. That's it. Closing up. So time to go hit the next location. So we're here at our second location, and we're gonna check out our snacks, drinks, and then restock. After we restock, take the money out. In fact, we're gonna take the money out before we restock and show you how much money we made on those machines. Let's go. Things first. Let's see. Okay. These gotta go. And I'm moving. These are moving. It's good. Ooh, that's a heat. Okay. They want sneakers, we'll give them sneakers. Nice. Oh, so there was a space in here. We don't want our customers not to be able to buy. That's how the coil is set up. I want to make sure that if you buy, you actually get what you're asking for. Like that. Can you imagine I'm starting things the right way? Before I just didn't care, I would just stack them and I'll get out. But I think the more I learn about these machines, presentation is everything. Everything has to be neat. Nice and neat. Like somebody wants to eat them. Alright, closing out this machine. Alright, let's see. Ooh. $9. Not bad, not bad. We got Monster, we got Coke, then we got Sprite, we also have some water. Okay, and all those numbers are gonna be at the bottom of the screen right here. How much we spent versus how much we made, and then you're gonna see the profit. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. If you really like this content, check out this next video.